Hello everyone. So today we are going to make milk tea out of Atomy products. So while I'm browsing my Facebook and I saw one Atomian, Ma'am Silina Catudio, for this recipe, and thank you so much for allowing me to try also this milk tea out of Atomy products. So what we are going to prepare is Atomy organic green tea 100%, of course, and the container where we will put the milk tea, and then the teapot where we can put hot water for the green tea, and then 1 sachet of probiotics. Since we don't have condensed milk in Atomy, so I prepare another brand. It is a Korean brand. It is a condensed milk, and also fresh milk, a Korean brand again, because we don't have fresh milk in Atomy. So first we are going to put some hot water on the teapot. Okay, I already boiled the hot water. Okay. And then let it be for about maybe 3 minutes. Okay, let's put the cover and let it stay. Okay, now let's put the green tea on the container. So the color is light green. Okay, then after that, we are going to put some fresh milk. Fresh milk. Okay, then after that, we are going to put 1 sachet of probiotics, Atomy probiotics. So here you go. We are going to put the probiotics. And then next is we are going to put the condensed milk. And then if it is milk tea, it would be better if we were gonna put some ice cubes, but since it is really cold in Korea, I don't need to put ice cube because I want my milk tea a little bit warm. So that's it. Let's see how does it taste. Okay. Now our milk tea is ready and ready to drink. We can enjoy now our milk tea. It's Atomy organic green tea milk tea. So it's a little bit sweet and little bit sweet, and with the taste of the organic green tea, it's really delicious and nutritious as well. So maybe you can try it at home also. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and so that you will be updated for any videos about Atomy and for free raffle as well. Bye!